We're going to explain what we have for a system. This is a Viessmann indirect water heater. It's an 80-gallon tank, so it's an indirect water heater, basically taking boiler water to heat your water so you get hot water. This is an 80-gallon water heater because this is a very large house with multiple bathrooms and multiple showers. Basically takes your boiler water from the circulator, circulates the water, brings your water up to 120 degrees, and now everybody has good hot water. On the side of these tanks, on almost every indirect water heater, is what they call an Amtrol thermal expansion tank. Your water heaters are so well insulated, they're energy efficient, they will expand. And when they expand, if you don't put a thermal expansion tank, what happens is you end up popping the relief valve because it's building too much pressure. To the side here, you have what they call an expansion tank. When you heat water, water expands. It cushions the expansion. This is a Viessmann boiler, which is a 3-pass boiler. When we come to clean this boiler, underneath here is a Yellow burner. So when we're done with the filter, we come over here, we basically take the cover off, we go into the burner, we change the nozzle, we change the strainer. The whole door will swing open. We would actually vacuum out the boiler. There's an exhaust pipe, a vent pipe in the back. You take the vent pipe, which goes out to the chimney, you clean that all the way out to the back, make sure everything's cleared. Once everything is brushed and vacuumed out, you put it back together, you run the unit, and you do what they call an efficiency test, which is checking your CO2, checking your draft, checking your temperature of the stack going up, making sure your smoke is at 0, where you do a smoke test with an actual smoke tester. The carbon that's going up the chimney, you usually want them around 11%. So if you're running around 11% and your smoke is at 0, you should have a good efficiency. It doesn't have baseboard. This has radiant heat, which is radiant heat in the floor. So it's under the floor. So as you walk, you don't see radiators. Your heat is actually in the floor, so you feel it through your feet. So an indirect is kind of the nice way to go because you don't have 2 tanks, 2 burners, wasting all that oil. You're basically using 1 burner to heat the water, to heat that tank, and heat your house.